Distributed databases are supposed to improve database performance at scale. But if you're not careful, they can do the exact opposite. Imagine a distributed database with 3 nodes. In an ideal world, queries would be routed equally between these 3 nodes so that they could share the processing load. In practice, queries are never distributed that evenly. And with the wrong configuration, or even just an unexpected usage pattern, you can end up with too many queries being routed to a single database node. This creates what's called a hotspot. Hotspots reduce application performance unnecessarily because everything has to wait on the overworked node, even though you've got 2 other perfectly good nodes that could be handling some of that processing load. So hotspots are bad. How can you avoid them? Following the best practices for your database is a good start. For example, if you're using CockroachDB, we recommend not using auto-incrementing primary keys. Because of the way that CockroachDB stores data, doing that would cause new inserts to be sent to the same range of data, meaning that a single node would be being asked to handle all of those inserts. So instead, it's better to spread those inserts evenly across the cluster by using non-sequential primary keys such as UUIDs. But even if you do everything by the book, unexpected usage patterns and edge cases can still lead to hotspots. That's why it's important to choose a distributed database that makes identifying hotspots easy. And it also helps to choose a database that doesn't come with built-in bottlenecks like only being able to write to a single node. CockroachDB, for example, supports writes to all nodes and includes a hot ranges page that highlights ranges experiencing higher than average queries per second. CockroachDB also makes it easy to identify SQL issues that might be causing a higher than average load, such as a high number of transaction retries or queries that are running full table scans. These reports are accessible within the Cockroach Cloud UI, but the data is also available via API to facilitate 24/7 monitoring. By following best practices and choosing a database with robust monitoring tools, you can ensure that you avoid most of the pitfalls that lead to hotspots, and identify any problems that do arise quickly so that they don't impact your users.